Say happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
No, sing it.
So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Papa.
Happy birthday to you. All right.
Where am I sitting?
Jerk it.
Pull it real fast.
Good. Okay.
All right, good.
All right,
now come
just play him in. Get closer to the hole.
come closer.
Get closer to the hole. Drop
Nope.
the line.
Hey, stop pulling the line, Lincoln, and come closer to the hole.
Keep going. Keep
And when you
going.
see him at the hole, don't get him stuck.
Do I keep pulling?
Yeah. Keep pulling. Let me see, Joshua.
No snowball
Pulling.
fights.
Is he down there?
I think so.
Joe,
Looks like it to
Joshy.
me.
Oh no, I got stuck.
It's okay. Keep pulling.
Stuck on what?
Ice. All right. Do you see him? Oh yeah. Pull him fast. Pull. Whoa! Pull him away from the hole. That's your very own fish. You did all the
That's a
work.
big one.
It's bigger than yours.
It is
Look
bigger
at
than
that.
mine.
Hey.
Lincoln, that's the same size as me.
That's bigger than the other one.
No, that's bigger than. That's bigger than. But it looks like.
We'll have to get a picture of that one.
Again.
Mom, let's take a boat. So you're taking us. Mom, let's take a boat.
Yeah, don't yank the line. Pile it, put it on the ground. You don't get a big knot.
You have to reach 1 foot. Now you just have to reach the 2 foot.
All right. Pull. Yeah. Good job. Get out of
That's
that
a
line.
little one.
Get out of the line.
Aw, it's a cute little one.
That's a great fishy, Joshy. Hold it up for your picture.
Mom, that's a little one.
Yeah, cool. All right, let's get us some pictures.
Alright. You need to set the hook right now.
Mom,
Ready,
we
Logan?
got the same
Come
fish.
closer. Let's see if we got him this time. I'm pretty sure we did, unless it's grass again.
Mom,
Grass
what is
makes it
that
feel funny.
same
Oh,
fish?
I feel it. All right, come, Elijah. Pull on the string.
Oh, this is third time's the charm. This
Got
is
it?
it.
Took all the water line.
There it is.
Almost. All right, let go of your end. When he gets closer, you can help me haul him out, okay?
I think I see him. He's tugging on it. He's trying to get out of it.
I didn't see him.
I do.
There, he's still there. I feel something. All right, you ready, Elijah? Get a little closer. Watch out, Joshy. You ready, Elijah?
Yeah.
Come closer. Get close to the hole. Get
I'm
closer.
getting closer.
Yeah. Ready? Grab
Yeah.
the line.
That's it. I see him. Oh, it's
Ready?
definitely there.
Oh!
Get away from the hole.
He's
Get away from the
big.
hole.
He's
Ooh,
big.
ooh.
Hold the string for Caleb. Here, come here.
Like, no.
Come closer.
No, I wasn't able to get the
You don't
fish.
have to. Come over here, though.
That's the third time the charm, wasn't it?
Yeah, here, come over
I
here.
guess third time. I guess 3 times in a row.
Did you take pictures?
Yep.
Josh?
Amen.
I never went back in.
Josh, wait for a snowball fight. Josh, you want to do a snowball fight?
I want to see how big this fish is.
Okay, say so. Or you don't want to
Yep,
get
we're getting closer.
smacked in the eye. Oh no, it's gonna
Don't let him get stuck in the hole. Get him out! Get him out! Yeah! Good job.
Barely.
Yep.
Okay, everybody get in there. Okay, pick up your fish.
Who?
Pick up your fish.
Who? Lincoln?
Anybody that caught a fish.
Find to grab a fish.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
All right, grab that one. That one's yours, isn't it? Elijah, grab this fish. This one's yours.
Yeah.
All right. Now, look at Papa again. You got him? You need help?
Here's my daughter's fish. They got to go home in about 15 minutes, and this fish just bit. So it's been a good day for the boys to come on out and enjoy a good day of fishing. And they got to ride the snow dog. Come here, Joshua.
I want to be in it.
Come here. Come here, Joshua.
Can you see him?
Hi!
Say hi, Joshua.
Hi!
Oh, Caleb's coming.
Come on, Caleb.
And then Lincoln eating a cosmic.
Hi.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi. I'm East Grand Woodsman's grandson, whatever.
Me too! I'm East Grand Woodsman's grandson too!
You coming? Lincoln's in the cabin. This is my daughter. She caught the biggest fish of her life today. We got the whole family out here, just enjoying the fish house. Show her the mouth. Let's see the mouth. Look at the mouth on that. And this is not the fish I caught yesterday.